Long-term care is expensive. It can cost tens of thousands of dollars a year, and you never know when you might need it. A stroke, arthritis, Alzheimer's, and injury are among the most common reasons people need long-term care. But our consumer specialist, Rick Romero, takes a long look at long-term care insurance and says it makes good dollars and cents. Rick?
Well, Michelle, through their elderly parents, many baby boomers have seen how expensive long-term care can be. And as baby boomers get older, they're quickly becoming the prime candidates for long-term care insurance. You never know when you might need long-term personal care, which can be very expensive. Take Beverly Witt of Studio City. She went to the hospital for foot surgery, but she nearly lost her life.
I came home that day, and 4 or 5 days afterwards, I got these 2 holes in my foot, and I didn't know what they were. And they turned out to be 2 staph infections on 1 foot. I almost lost my foot. I almost died.
But Beverly survived and now needs round-the-clock care. Fortunately, she has long-term care insurance to pay for the help, although she didn't realize she could collect on the policy right away. So she was using her savings to pay for the expensive care.
It's hard to understand, and it took quite a while for me, to really understand how it works.
Brian Gilder is a chartered life underwriter and certified financial planner. He says it's not uncommon for those who buy long-term care policies to not understand the benefits and when to file a claim.
God forbid you need it, and it doesn't mean you're completely sick in a nursing home where you're hooked up to an IV. As you can see here, in this situation, getting better, but does need help with what's called the activities of daily living.
So just like Beverly, it's easy to make mistakes with your policy. Don't let it happen to you or someone in your family. Let your family know you have a long-term care policy. Review the benefits regularly. Know the waiting period and how long the policy will pay. When filing for benefits, fill out the paperwork completely and correctly. If you're buying long-term care insurance, Brian says, budget for the type of policy you can afford. Make sure there is an inflation rider to cover rising costs, and get lifetime benefits.
I'd rather have a lower daily amount of insurance. So instead of having 150, I might want 125, but I want that lifetime benefits.
Beverly says, don't let the expense stop you.
If you had to beg, borrow, or steal, get it, because you don't know what's going to happen to you.
Yep, long-term care insurance can be expensive, but the younger you are when you buy it, the cheaper it is. And unless you can afford it, there really is no need to buy the Rolls-Royce of policies. Remember, you never know when you might need it, so some insurance is better than none. Mark and Michelle, back to you.